I'm back in Corgi craziness. Like thousands of these little rascals running around, not listening to their owner. It's actually pretty humorous. The waves are big, which Deja's decided it's time to boogie board. But it couldn't be a more beautiful day. I think it's 80 degrees and sunny, not a cloud or chemtrail in the sky to be seen for miles. I like it. Hey, Georgie. They're like, yeah, no, pass. I'm good. I can totally do without this enormous swimming pool. I'm cool. Are they gonna drag him? Because that was hilarious. That's what these skid marks are. From a Corgi saying, no, I don't want to go to the water. It's hilarious. And there's a baby.
He's like, okay, I'll get him. It's alright. You're fine. What's the matter, Georgie? Georgie does not like the bubbles. No one likes them. You're supposed to get him.
So finally wrapping up this Corgi conundrum. Insanity. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fly the drone or anything, so I have no way of showing you exactly the scale of how ridiculously mad this place was. But you couldn't even walk on this enormous beach without running into people or tripping over a Corgi or two. But we're all pretty exhausted, and people are getting stung by stingrays out in the ocean, so we're kind of avoiding the water, and we're ready for showers and dinner. So that's that. Maybe another stingray incident? I don't know. Oof.